Good morning, class. My name is Katiana Perez, and I'm gonna be your teacher today. This is the English didactic course by Cesar Lara at Secar University. Today, we are going to talk about greetings and introduction. But first, here we have the objectives. The objectives is learn about greetings, learn about farewells, introduce yourself as well as others. Present a brief profile of yourself. First of all, we are going to learn about greetings. We have formally and informally forms. Like, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Informally, how are you doing? I'm doing well. And greetings, like hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Here we have farewells. Goodbye, good night, see you soon, have a nice day. And finally, we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves. Introduce to other person. Like, what is your name? Sorry. How are you? Fine, thank you. How old are you? I am 6 years old. Where are you from? I'm from Colombia. What do you do? I am a student. Now let's practice the pronunciation. Greetings, hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let's start again. Hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Now farewells. Goodbye, good night, see you soon, have a nice day. Let's practice the pronunciation for introductions. Questions, answers. What is your name? My name is. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How old are you? I'm 6 years old. Where are you from? I'm from Colombia. Where do you live? I live in Cali. What do you do? I am a student. Now we are ending this lesson, and I really hope that you understand the topic. Please practice at home. Thank you very much for paying attention. See you next time. Here I left my contact, my email, and my WhatsApp. Thank you very much.